afternoon, everyone. It is a bright and cheerful day, and what better way to make it very brighter than by celebrating the friendship and kindness. Today, I feel very happy to stand before you to speak about something truly special, that is Buddy Bench. This beautiful idea teaches us to care, to share, and to include everyone because a simple smile, small hello can brighten someone's whole day. Now I would like to take a moment to thank our principal ma'am. Ma'am, it is your guidance, love and encouragement that inspires us to kind and helpful. Your support has made this Buddy Bench project possible, and through it, thank you ma'am. Now it's time to invite our special guest. It's me immense pleasure to introduce our esteemed English ma'am, Mona Virajita. Ma'am, she has completed her BTech and a profession diploma in gemology. Her commitments to learn and excellence beyond the academics, ma'am has rich experience as a principal in other schools, being valuable leadership and guidance to our institute. Mona ma'am, you not only teach us the beautiful of English language and also teach us how to read, write and speak beautifully. So today we dedicate this Buddy Bench to love and friendship too. These smiles especially for you. Now welcome Mona ma'am with a big round of applause. Please welcome ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Please take your seat ma'am. Speak some words about the Buddy Bench of our special buddy. Mona ma'am wants to speak few words about the Buddy Bench.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. I'm so delighted to present as a guest, and this is the platform to know with each other more about me and more about you, whatever it may be. Thank you for inviting me as a guest. Thank you so much.
It's time for you students. Do you want to ask any questions to what makes our school special to
Every school has a special and unique place, but in this school I have seen that slokas by students and topics by students that makes so special. That's it.
Why you choose only English, not other subject ma'am?
It's got inspiration by my mother. She is an English and social teacher. That's the reason I have choose the English, and little bit I'm more confident in the subject of English. That is the reason, not special.
What is the most important quality of a good friend?
Trust, loyalty. Trust and loyalty is more important in the friendship.
Wonderful answer ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Now it's turn for the students. You can ask. Accidentally read the word.
Have you ever accidentally read the word wrong and make the whole class laugh?
Accidentally read the some spell words wrongly, but they didn't laugh in my class. That's it.
Next turn.
Hi.
Have you ever laughed the whole day?
No, not at all. Very well. All the names, all the students' names who I teach. That's it.
You improve English speaking skills.
It's very good question ma'am. How we can develop our English communication?
By communicating in English only. Not at all. It's whether it's wrong or right. You have to communicate in English only. By that you can improve your skills.
Your guide.
You could visit any place in India, where would you go and why?
I used to go for Kerala because it's a God's own country. I love to visit Kerala. I have visited 2 or 3 times, but I love to go still there. Houseboat, etc. So many things to explore there, and the peace in the nature. I love it.
Thank you ma'am for sharing your valuable experience. How do you handle different situations among students or staff?
Among students and staff. Among students, somewhat I will frustrate on them. By the staff, I didn't talk much to the staff. I have selected only few members. That's it. I won't interfere any other topics rather than my subject. That's it.
There is another question from our students. Please.
To become an English teacher?
Because I love to teach English and I'm little bit confident in the English. Not at all total confident, but I'm little bit confident in my English subject. That is the reason I have chosen.
Who inspired you to become a good question from your side, beta? Question from my side, ma'am. Who inspired you to become a teacher?
Of course, my mother. She is a teacher. When I am seeing from my childhood, she is a teacher. Up to 10th class, she's taught in our school only. She taught in our school. After completing my brother's 10th, she has opened a school. So of course, she is my inspiration. My mother is my inspiration.
If you were sitting on the buddy bench, what kind of friend would you like to have beside you?
Toughest question, but I choose my dad. He is my best friend. Unfortunately, he is no more. Like to have beside me. That's it.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry for decision from student side.
Yes.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, beta.
Ma'am, why you choose only this school? Why not another schools?
I've worked already in other schools. In my own school also, my mother has opened the school. I have worked there also. After the marriage, I have choose this school.
The next question from our student.
Ma'am, if you would only teach for 5 minutes in a day, how much you do?
Will teach a life lesson. That's it.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is to listen the music and reading the books. Whenever time is there, I will listen the music and I will read the books a lot.
Next question from girl side, please. Go ahead.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
If you was a color, what color would it be and why? Color,
If it has a color, it would be, I think, green, because green is reflect for nature. Friendship, green.
It's very good answer, ma'am. Next question from your side.
inspire your students every day.
How would I students every day? By teaching their own methods, by behaving like them as a children, as a friend. What are the reasons why you are there? And I will know the reasons, and I will also go through it, and I will would teach the lessons like that.
My side, a small question for you. Ma'am, as an English teacher, you teach us the powerful words. How do you think good communication helps us make friends?
Communication makes helps because communication can explore our feelings, our ideas, our thoughts, and we can share our sad and happy moments. By building the communication only, we can make the relationship, whatever may be it, friendship or other relations. The communication is important.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving.
Ma'am, what is your favorite English song?
Believer. Believer song is that is my favorite, one of the favorite.
Can you sing for us, ma'am?
No, I'm not a good singer, but Believer
At least
song
two
is-
strangers of that song. Thank you for your answer. Next,
Ma'am, who is your favorite student in fourth year?
Not only one student, Nana, every student is my favorite. Every child is in unique way, in their own way. So I love every student, not only one.
New English words easily.
how student English words easily?
Yeah, there is a two ways, by splitting and reading, and by knowing the meaning, and by transforming the easy word. If the every difficult word has another synonym in the English word, so by knowing the meaning and by splitting the spelling, you can remember the words easily.
Thanks for your answer, ma'am. Now the question from my side, ma'am. If you were not a teacher, what would you have been?
Of course, I have worked as a IT employee. I would be a IT employee only,
Okay,
like a
ma'am.
software.
Thank you, ma'am.
What is your favorite game?
In the childhood, not so much I have played, but in the childhood, I used to play the cricket with my brothers, sister, cousins, whatever, uncles and aunts. I used to play the cricket
Don't make any noise.
in the childhood.
Answer, ma'am. Like a team, you want to.
My family is a very big family. It's a joint family. I have all the girl will be one team and all the boys will be a one team. There is so much of fun in the summer holidays. We used to go for farmhouse, my grandma's farmhouse. There we used to play a lot in the childhood.
You have next question from our students.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
What is one skill every student should have before going to school?
Leaving school, before leaving college, everything, the main skill for the student will be a discipline. If there is no discipline, we can't gain anything in our life. So discipline is important. That is the main skill every student has to be. Hello, beta.
Favorite subject when you are in school?
learn the math and science because my mother also said that math and science are the important, so that fixed in my mind and I used to learn more about the math and science. With that inspiration only, in my 10th I got 100 of the 100 in the both subjects. I think math and science is my favorite subject in the childhood.
We can pass our question. Who's as to become an English teacher?
As you know, I said already that I am the little bit confident in the English subject. That is the reason I have choose the English. That's it. Not a special reason. Beta.
Ma'am, if the whiteboard could talk, what will it say about our class?
If the whiteboard has a, if the whiteboard can
If
talk,
whiteboard,
what would it reply in my class? I think the board will say, enough, just go and leave. I think so because I most use the grammar board for the grammar part only. I will fill the board for the explanation. So the whiteboard can tell, okay, enough, let's go and leave this class, maybe.
It's a wonderful answer, ma'am. Now, sorry, ma'am. Thank you for.
Hi, beta.
If you could create a new English word, what would it be and what would it be?
Oh.
Good question, ma'am.
If I create a new English word, what it would be and what is the meaning of that? A little bit of this, but I can create like dream bloom. Dream bloom means the dreamings of starting. The dreams are the only things that start. We can go and reach our goal. So first you have to dream. After that, for the dreams, we are able to do our fulfilling things. By fulfilling our goals, we can bloom like a flower. So I can create dream bloom, the word dream.
Very good word you have created. Next, I was to ask the question.
Was America, US. I love to visit that country. Already I went once there, and my dream is to see the Niagara Falls there. That is the reason I have to go again and again there. So my dream place to go the America, US. Already I have visited. That's
The next question has been ready with.
Which snack would make you teach extra happy?
of course ice cream. I love to eat so much of ice cream.
Ma'am. Next, do you have favorite English book or author?
The Gulliver Travels. Have you remembered from the 10th class?
Yes.
That is my favorite thing.
Okay.
No, the Lilliput Gulliver Travels.
Okay.
So that is most memorable to you.
Every class important me because I can learn the new things from the every class. So there is no special batch. Every classes are important for me. I can learn new things from them. Right.
Hi ma'am.
Hello, beta.
Never get in trouble. Then you stay in school.
An introvert candidate. I can't mingle with everyone.
Everyone.
I will choose selected persons. That's it. I can't.
Next, we are passing mic to.
All of you do have a superpower. What would it be?
The school allowed me to give a superpower. What it would be?
Just going away from the school.
No, not like that. I want to stay here because
Can you
English
share
proverb.
the proverb?
And its meaning. Whatever the situation is there, you have to work hard. Whether it is you are failing or you are winning, but the situation you have to work hard until you will get success. That's it, my proverb.
Good proverb, man. Which has given a good information. Next, we will pass our mic.
Hi ma'am.
Hi.
Teach students about learning.
What is my message to follow the learning English for your students, for my students, right? Nothing but you have to concentrate on the grammar and you have to listen your teacher, how she is pronouncing, how she is splitting the words, and have to remember and you have to know exact the meaning. Like that you can learn easily English. That's it.
Ma'am, I have a small question. How can we develop our English communication?
By speaking continuously, by whatever the language is. If
By
you
reading
know,
new words, can we develop our English communication, or else?
of course, by reading the newspapers, you can refer the English newspapers. By reading the new words, by knowing the meanings, and whatever it may be, it's wrong or right, you have to speak the things, small
we
things
need a good interaction between the
whatever
others.
whomever you are speaking, whether they are knowing the English or not knowing the English, but you have to speak in the English. That can
Improve our communication
Yeah, yeah,
skill.
of course you can improve your communication.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for your answer.
Hi, beta.
What is the most memorable moment have with your students?
More with my students. Have you remembered the spell bee competition? We have won. We have won the cup. We have ordered that, right? That is the memorable moment from my students because
What have you ever forgot what you were teaching in the middle of class?
not at all, because I will come to class I have to say this lesson, this bit. I have to make them read. So I won't never forgot. I never.
You never stuck in the class while teaching, she's
Not-
asking.
No, I never did.
Okay, thank you, beta.
Enjoy most
I love to teach the grammar part because whatever I'm teaching, it can build the communication skill by the grammar part only. So I love to teach the grammar.
Ma'am, when you are teaching the grammar, you are going to take live exams in the book, whatever they have given, what they have.
I won't explain by seeing the book. After the explanation, I will go with the book. That's it, only, right? I won't explain by seeing if the subject is about singular and plural nouns. Example. First, I will explain singular and plural nouns, and I will give the examples by showing the things, whatever they are holding in their hands. Like this is the one pencil, it is called as a singular. This is the two pencils we are holding, this is called as a plural. After completing my explanation, after getting the knowledge, minimum knowledge on the subject, afterwards I will open the grammar book and I will make them to read that.
In a practical way, you are going to teach the subject.
Exactly.
And okay, now the last question from our students. Yes,
Hi, beta.
Who is your favorite poet or writer and why?
Who is my favorite poet?
already you said about
Poet, whatever maybe, William Shakespeare. He is my favorite person.
words about William Shakespeare, ma'am. Any proverb?
The well-known proverb: "Friend is need, friend is deed."
Friend is need in a friend is deed. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Whatever the information you have given, that is innovative and encouragement words. By by seeing your answers, we can learn good things, and with a positive motive, we can move, and we can learn good communication. Without communication, we cannot survive in the world nowadays. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for being a part of Buddy Bench. As we come to the end of this beautiful event, I take this moment to express my heartfelt gratitude as a big thank to our respective principal ma'am for supporting and encouraging this wonderful event. A special thank to our teachers who guide us not only in the studies but also in the values of sharing and caring. I also thank our students who has taken with a great enthusiasm and promised to make the Buddy Bench a place of friendship. Finally, I thank everyone present here for making this event memorable with your presence and encouragement. Can you give few words about our program, ma'am?
I felt very happy to knowing the students having the questions on me, and maybe I have clarified everything, whatever may they have asked me, and I felt very happy, and I'm very feeling the proud also. Thanks for inviting me as a guest. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you being part of Buddy Bench. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.